Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'd like to tell you about how you can send your own message with my newest NFTs, cards with words. There are 536 unique NFTs in the collection. But first, let me give a quick introduction on their properties. These NFTs come in 4 rarity types, which are priced accordingly on OpenSea Marketplace. This is a collection of beautiful festive winter holiday themed scenes, each being unique. Each image has been generated in collaboration with AI, and by the use of carefully engineered prompts. Rarities displayed in the Properties section reflect with which input prompt the image was generated. Of course, there were many other prompts engineered for each NFT, but the one which relates to an NFT's rarity is the one you can see here. The input prompt for this particular NFT was Night Angel, and this prompt was used only once when generating the images. This is why this Night Angel is legendary. There are only 5 legendary cards within the whole collection. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at how you can write your own messages with these cards. First, go to Polygon Skin using the link in the description below. Now we're going to read the message card 1 is currently holding. Scroll down until you reach section 14 where it says, Read Message. Type in the token number of the NFT that you want to read the message from, into the field where it says Token ID. Now press Query. This way, you'll be able to read the message the first NFT from the collection currently holds. We now see the message I have previously written to my friend, John, wishing him all the best for the new year. Now let's skip to how you can write your own message to the blockchain. Go ahead and press Write Contract. Press Connect to Web3 to connect with your MetaMask wallet. Make sure your MetaMask wallet is the one on Polygon chain which currently holds your cards with words NFTs. Check you are connected to Web3 on the site. Scroll down to section 12 where it says Write Message. Type in the token number of your NFT into the field where it says Token ID. And then fill in the new message input field with your message. Click Write to write your message to the chain. Remember, writing data on the chain requires a transaction fee, which in this case you can pay with Matic. Although it is negligible because it is on Matic, make sure you have some in your wallet for this process. You can check the state of your transaction by pressing View Transaction. After seeing your transaction has succeeded, you can again go and check by pressing Read Contract tab and repeating the steps that I have mentioned on how to read from the contract. Now that you learned how to read from and write to a contract, you can start sending your best wishes to your friends and family. I will be happy to see my NFTs are spreading good wishes and thoughts throughout the blockchain. Make sure you follow my Twitter account and stay tuned for my current and upcoming projects. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can find all the links that are mentioned in this video down below in the description. I wish you a Merry Christmas and the jolliest of all years.